Hello guys, so for today we're going to need paper, probably 2 sheets of paper. I know it's very unusual, we never use more than one, but for today I just want you guys to get 2 sheets of paper. We're gonna go over a couple of terms that I want you guys to become familiarized as we move forward in class. So we have our 2 sheets of paper and I'm putting them together, and now I'm gonna fold them in half. Okay, we're gonna do a little book, right? It's gonna be our color theory book for art. I'm gonna teach you a couple of things, and we're gonna make different assignments here. And it's just 2 sheets of paper again, right? 2 sheets of paper that we folded in half. Okay, now I want you guys to get your pencil. Oh, we're gonna need a pencil obviously, but we're also going to need our crayons since it's color theory class. So it wouldn't make much sense if we didn't have any colors. Now for those of you that don't have paper or pencil, I'm gonna give you different options, but for the rest of you, let's get started. All right, so our title for our little book is going to be color theory, right? Color theory. I'm gonna put it closer. Whoop. There you go. Let me see. Perfect. Color theory. Ta-da! And you can go over it with different colors because color theory, hey, you know, and you can take your time and decorate this as well. So I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna color this very nicely, just a front door, nothing, you know, too fancy, but I wanna just give it a little bit more color. Okay guys, so I added a little bit of color and I colored the borders. If you want to, you can do it. If not, that's okay. Okay, next. So I wanted to start first with our color wheel. And I don't know if you guys remember, but before we were talking about, you know, cool colors and warm colors, okay? And now we're gonna organize them more or less. So we're gonna start with our red and green. So make sure you have red and green. Okay, we're gonna make a wheel. So it's gonna be circular, right? So I'm gonna go and start here. I'm gonna do this red here. Oh, wait, you can't see it. I was going all the way to the top. But okay, so I'm going here doing red. Okay, and then on the opposite side, I'm gonna do my green here. Hopefully you guys can see. Okay, there. Green. Okay, not bad at all. Except that my whole table is moving while I do this. Then we have purple right here. And across from purple is yellow. So we're gonna put it here. Very big yellow. Can you guys see it? I think yellow is hard to see, but it's here, guys. I promise. I'm coloring as hard as I can. And okay, I just realized this is not yellow. This is canary. You know, I don't know if you can read it, but it says canary here. So I've been fooled. Let me see. Lemon. No. Let me see. Where's the yellow? Oh, yellow. Found it. Okay, so this is yellow. And I think, yes, this is, now you can see it. Awesome. So yellow we have here, and now we're going to do, what else? we're missing blue, and no, blue should be here, and orange. So let me get that blue that we need, because I don't want it to be like a soft blue and then we're not gonna be able to see it. Okay, so blue, perfect. Oh yeah, look at that vibrant blue. And the opposite of blue, it's gonna be our vivid orange. Okay, this is too vivid. But yeah, so we're doing the orange there. Orange. Perfect. Okay. So it looks almost like a circle, and it's okay if yours didn't come out as a circle. But the point is that this is our color wheel, right? So let's title it here at the bottom. I'm gonna put it color. I hope we know how to spell it, but just in case, I'm gonna put it closer. Color, and then wheel. Awesome. And I'm gonna add some colors to my color wheel so it can look cute. Let me see. Hey, there you go. This is our color wheel. So one thing I want us to get clear for today is our complementary colors. And complementary colors are the colors that are across from one another. Okay, so for example, for red, the complementary color will be green, right? For blue, it would be orange. And for purple, it's going to be yellow. So every time from now on that when I talk to you guys, I'm like, okay, we're gonna do our complementary colors. So you should know that if you use red, then you should get green, right? If I say, okay, today we're gonna use purple and it's complementary color, so that means that we're using yellow and purple. What did I say? Okay, and if I say, okay, today we're gonna use blue and it's complementary color, so you should know that complementary of blue is orange. Now, are we gonna remember that? Maybe not, but that's why we have this awesome little book that we're making, so we can remember it. Okay, so we're gonna go and turn the other page. Whoa, there you go. So now we're gonna write the word complementary here. And if you don't know how to spell it, then you have to look very closely. So here you go. So complementary are the colors that are across from one another in our color wheel. So again, let's do that. So for example, complementary of green is going to be red. Okay, complementary of purple is going to be yellow. And complementary of orange is going to be blue. So we have our complementary colors. And just in case you forget, just circle them together. Okay? There you go. So let's write the definition here as well, so we understand what this is for, because maybe in like a month you're gonna be like, I don't know why I circle these colors together, and what does complementary even mean, right? So complementary colors are complementary, we should have written complementary colors. Let me see if I can get my eraser. All right, bear with me, guys. Complementary. I'm gonna assume as much as possible colors, and then you put the little 2 dots, and then here we're gonna write the definitions. I'm gonna put our colors. Okay, so complementary colors are colors that are opposite to each other on the color wheel. So I'm gonna put here, complementary colors are colors that opposite to each other yeah, on the color wheel. Ta-da! Ooh! Wait, can you guys read it? I can't. I think this is a little bit better. Yeah. Okay. So complementary colors are colors that are opposite to each other on the color wheel. Alright, so I think we got that right. Now let's go with triadic color scheme. So we have our complementary colors, and I want you guys to draw something here in the bottom, only using complementary colors, meaning if you're gonna use this one right here, I'm gonna number them, okay? So if you're gonna use number 1, you should only use green and red. If you're gonna use number 2, then use purple and yellow only. If you're gonna use number 3, then we're gonna use orange and blue only. You can draw whatever you want. This is for you to remember. So, okay, I'm gonna put here, draw something using complementary colors. Okay, so this is gonna be your space to do that. I'm gonna pause the video and I'm gonna give you guys a couple of minutes to do this. Alright, so I finished with my little drawing. I did 3 different flowers, each one complementary, you know, orange with blue, yellow with purple, and green with red. Now I'm moving on to the triadic color scheme. So let's write it down together. Triadic, T-R-I-A-D-I-C, triadic, right? And T-R-I, so 3, right? Triadic color scheme. Color scheme. And the definition is colors that are evenly spaced around the color wheel, right? And it's a triad harmony successful. The color should be, okay. So let's put it. Color scheme that uses colors that you, okay. So a triadic color scheme uses colors that are evenly spaced around the color wheel. And I'm gonna put parentheses, shape of a triangle, or triangular shape. And what do I mean by that? Okay, so let's go back. My crayon's going back too. Let's go back to our color wheel, guys. So we're trying to make basically a triangle, right? So this will be a triad color scheme. We have the red, yellow, and blue, right? Maybe I'm doing it wrong because I'm using crayons, but basically it's trying to tell you a triad color scheme uses colors that are evenly spaced out around the color wheel, and it's shaped like a triangle, right? So we're making a triangle here. So we have red, yellow, and blue. They make a triangle. Now, if we want another color, for example, purple, then purple, if we make a triangle, what colors do we need? It would be, right, green connected with the orange, orange connected with the purple, and purple connected with the green. And that's our triad color scheme for purple. Okay, and then our triad color scheme for red, right, would be the same thing, right? Red connects with the blue because we're making a triangle. Blue connects with the yellow, and yellow goes back to the red. There you go. So these are our triad color scheme combinations. Awesome possum. So now let's put them here so we can remember, right? So we have let's go. Red, blue, and yellow is one of the triad. So let's go. Red, I'm gonna make a little circle here to remind us. Blue and yellow are triad colors. And then let's get our green. It should be the rest. Green, purple, and orange will be the other ones. Let's verify that. Green, orange, and purple. Okay, so same thing. Green, orange, purple. Green, orange, and purple. So I'm gonna circle this because these are my triad color scheme. 1 and 2 and 2. Now, you should know what's coming next. So draw something using triad color scheme. One, so only one triadic color scheme. All right, let's go. So this is now your time to draw one triadic color with one triadic color scheme, meaning that you're only gonna use either these 3 colors or these 3 colors. Okay, so you're gonna choose which one, either 1 or number 2. Okay, so I think I'm gonna use number one, just because they remind me of the primary colors, but we know these are not our primary colors. But it reminds me, and I like this combination of colors, so I'm gonna use this one. But you're more than welcome to use the other one. Okay, so I'll see you in a little bit. I'm gonna pause it and do my little drawing. Alright guys, so go to part 2 to finish the book.